Good evening, dedicated ZCAS students. I'm sure you're learning one or two things, that if you don't attend my class, you don't give an apology, I feel so insulted. So for those that haven't been attending the lectures, don't even tell them about this video, because it will not be right. We are not supposed to even record this video. But I thought I should give you a bonus. We should look at the two components, two questions. Is it the two questions or the two components within the question? Quickly. So we looked at the first one. We go to this. It says, develop the moving average focus for the population. Compare MSE and a focus of up to. Compute MSE, which is the mean squared error, and a focus of up to 2030. So let's quickly look at this using the moving average. I'll look at two methods. The first method would be to go manual, a bit manual. The other one to use the available tools that Excel provides, and advise you to use those tools instead of going manual. So I'll start with the available tools, then I'll go manual. You can decide the intervals. For me, I've put 3-year moving average. Basically, this is a forecast. So please follow the Excel function that you can use to perform this. You go to data, you'll find the data analysis here. But in case you don't have the data analysis tool, you can go to File, go to Options. From Options, go to Add-ins. Under Add-ins, click on Go here down there and check this button. Check this button, Analysis Toolbar. Check that button. If you want, you can check this button. And press OK. So that when you come here, you'll be able to see a data analysis. Okay. So you can press on data, go to data analysis. We are starting the moving average. You check here, guys. We have all these. So you go to moving average and press OK. So the input data, which is your input data, you come here. This is your input data. It's locked. What's your interval? It's 3 years interval moving average for 3 years. We can have 4, you can have 2. It's okay. What is your output range? So my output range, it should start from here and go up to there. Even if I extend, I say I want to go to 2030, it will still end here. Even if I do this, it will still just end there. I don't need the chart output. I don't need the standard errors. Labels in the first row, no. Then I press OK. So you can see what it has done. it has given the moving average. So it is as good as doing this equals average. You pick the first three and press OK. You go down like that. It's the same thing. You can check the difference. You won't find any difference with this. As easy as that. Change it. Okay. So this is how it is. Okay. Don't want it to go down there. Mind. Okay. So it's the same. You can use whichever method you want to. Okay, so we have something like this. Then we first need to actually check on the errors. So on the errors, we'll start from here. Check for our forecast minus the actual. So these are our errors. When we get these errors, guys, we then now look at the MSE, which is mean squared error. So all you're doing, you're picking that error and squaring it. You go to 6 shift and you go to where 6 is, you type to the power 2. So these are the MSE. But then you have to find your average MSE, which will be equals, we'll say sum say equals sum. We go up to here, divide by, you count how many there are from here. I don't know how many there were. Well, I wasn't even counting. Let me just check. There are 28. So this is your average MSE. So this is what we have. This is how you calculate your MSE. Very easy. You just find the difference between your actual and your forecast, get that error, and square it. What does the question state? Develop the moving average forecast for the population, okay, up to 2030. So up to 2030. So if you check on this, guys, you have to be very practical. I've gone up to here. Then what we can assume, remember that these numbers, if I do like this, because of the moving average, it's only taking up to 2021, 2022. So we can assume and pick these numbers from here. There is no scientific, oh, sorry, it's giving me, sorry. Okay, let me just remove it from here. So what can we do on this? Going forward, we can do this. We can do this. We can change the forecast using these forecast numbers already. We can continue doing the moving average up, down, up to 2020. So we can say equals average, but then we'll pick these first three and take them down. Then we can take this moving average up to there. Ignore what is this side, meaning that here what I wanted to do was to come this side, but then it gives me a circular error, so I'm not going to do it. So if you don't want to have these numbers up to there, you know that you're having these up to 2021. For your thing, you could still come this side. I could do this. I could even remove this part and come to down here, show from 2020 up to 2030. We'll show the forecast. There's no exact science on this. So the forecast would be, you can still pick these numbers from here. You can do this, sorry, to forecast. I can use this method. Please just check. I'll use the intercept. So then what I can do now to forecast, because I have the forecast numbers and I'm using moving average, I would come in there and use function called forecast. So coming there, using the function forecast, I can go for the last one. There is no harm. So say which x-axis do I want to pick? Is 2020. The non-wise, I will start from here, going up to 2019, log, JC log. Then the non-X will start from 1992, going up to 2019. Then we'll log. And I'll press OK. Sorry. So I have these numbers, and I'll take down like this. So if you check, I shouldn't have even started from 2020 and 2021. The numbers are already there, but it's okay. It's okay. I can have these numbers like this. But then what I should have done, if we wanted, we could have, because we already have the forecast numbers for 2020 to 2021, which are these, which are average, which are these numbers up to here. So instead of, let me not confuse you, we'll say, we'll start from here, from 2022, I can say equals forecast. What's the known x is this, comma, the known y's from 1992. Oh, not there, sorry. From here to 2021, because it's rolling, I log. What's the known x? Again, we start from 1992 to 2021, I log. So it gives me these numbers, which then I can take down there. From 2020 to 2021, I have these numbers down, which is there. 2021 is that. These numbers that I have, if I was going down like this, guys, we should get the same numbers. If I start from here, I say equals forecast. I pick that, which is the x, is this, which is the y's, is these numbers, log. The x is these numbers up to 1992 log. You can take them down here like this. So if you check, if I do like this, these are the same numbers that are coming in from 2020. Control D. What have I done? Shouldn't have picked the formula. These are the same numbers. I'm missing it from 2020 and go to 2020 from here and taking it down like this. These are the same numbers. Right? Right. So you would have forecasted for up to 2030 and come up with your mean squared error. Any questions? Now we go to exponential. Let's check what is there. Here's the question. So the next subtopic will be on exponential. Please work on this part. We'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you and bye-bye.